Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Cash App on Amazon, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this screenshot right here just to explain how you can do this via Cash App, simply because I don't have access to the Cash app in my region. But what you need to do before you actually use Cash App on Amazon, make sure you have an account, of course, and make sure that you do have the Cash App Cash Card approved. You don't need to have the physical one, however, you can use that as well. But what you do need is you do need to have it approved, and once you do have it approved, you can enter the Cash App and you can tap on the card icon in the bottom left. Pretty sure it's the second icon from the bottom left, and then you'll see something along the lines of this. This is where you'll see your cash card. Usually all the numbers except the last four numbers will be X'd out, so you just need to tap the eye icon in the top right of the card, and then you'll be able to see your card number, the CVV, as well as the expiration date. And once you see that, then you can enter it into Amazon as a form of payment. Now, on Amazon, you need to enter your account details, or into your account menu, then go into your payments, and then here you'll see that you have an option to add a payment method. Now, once you're here, just click add a payment method, and from here, as you'll see, you can click to add a credit or debit card. Once you're there, you just need to add the card number, which you've seen here, so these here 16 digits, then the CVV, which is well, it should be somewhere, but you need to add the card number, the name on the card, and the expiration date. And then once you click add a card, you will need to add the CVV, which is this here 3-digit code as well. And once you add all of that, you'll be able to link your card, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Then you can use Cash App as a method to pay for items on Amazon, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.